Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest addition to Google's smartphone lineup, the Pixel 9a. This device is generating a lot of buzz, and we're here to unpack all the details. Let's get started. Design and display. First off, the Pixel 9a showcases a sleek new design that stands out in the mid-range market. One notable change is the absence of the traditional camera bar, resulting in a completely flat back. This minimalist approach gives the phone a clean and modern look. On the front, you're greeted by a 6.3-inch Actua display. This POLED panel offers a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels and supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, with a peak brightness of up to 2700 nits, visibility in bright sunlight shouldn't be an issue. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by Google's Tensor G4 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM. Storage options include 128GB and 256GB, catering to different user needs. This combination ensures a responsive experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming content. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Pixel 9a's camera setup. It features a 48-megapixel main sensor with an f/1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization, promising sharp and vibrant photos. On the front, a 13-megapixel selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Battery life. Battery life is another strong suit of the Pixel 9a. It houses a 5100 mAh battery, the largest ever in a Pixel device. Google claims this can provide over 30 hours of usage on a single charge. Additionally, the phone supports 23-watt wired charging and Qi wireless charging, offering flexibility in how you power up your device. Software support. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9a is Google's commitment to long-term software support. The device will receive 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest features and protections well into the future. Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Pixel 9a starts at $499 for the 128GB model, $599 for the 256GB model, making it a compelling option for those seeking premium features without breaking the bank, with the official release slated for April. Conclusion. In summary, the Pixel 9a brings a lot to the table. Modern design, robust performance, an impressive camera system, long-lasting battery life, and extended software support, all at an attractive price point. It's poised to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. That's all for today's overview of the Google Pixel 9a. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming videos and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.